In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a new tax in Zoho Books. This guide is designed to help you manage your business taxes efficiently, ensuring you're set up correctly from the get-go. Let's dive right in. To begin, make your way to the Zoho Books dashboard. You can do this by opening your browser and navigating to your Zoho Books account. Once you're logged in, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. This is your control center for managing finances, invoices, and of course, ties. Next, direct your attention to the settings icon. It's usually found on the right-hand side of your dashboard. Clicking on this will open a host of options, but for today, our focus is on taxes. Finding this option might take a few seconds, so take your time and ensure you've selected the correct option. Now that you've made your way to the taxes section, it's time to create your new tax. To do this, look for the New Tax button, often highlighted to make it easy to find. Clicking on this will open a new window where we'll input all relevant information pertaining to your new tax. The first piece of information you'll need to provide is the tax name. This name should be specific to help you identify it easily in the future. Whether it's a sales tax, VAT, or a custom name peculiar to your business, make sure it's something you'll remember and associate with the specific tax rules. Once you've got your tax name sorted, it's time to specify the tax rate. Inputting the correct rate is essential, as this will affect your invoicing and accounting accuracy. Double-check the rate to ensure no mistakes are made, as even small errors can accumulate over time. After deciding on the tax rate, consider whether this tax is a compound tax. A compound tax is a type of tax where multiple tax rates are applied on top of each other. For example, if you have federal and state taxes that both apply to the same item, enabling the compound tax setting will calculate them correctly. If this applies to your situation, ensure this option is selected. It's vital for accurate tax reporting and compliance. Finally, after you have input all your details and reviewed your settings, click on Save. This will store your new tax configuration in Zoho Books, making it available for use in your transactions. Always remember to review your information before finalizing, as this could save you from potential headaches down the line. And there you have it. You've successfully created a new tax in Zoho Books. Keep in mind, managing taxes efficiently will not only keep you compliant, but also provide you with a clearer picture of your business finances. If you need to make any changes in the future, you can always return to this section and update your settings. Thanks for watching, and I hope this guide made the process straightforward and easy to understand.